Hello students, today we will continue with grammar. I am Miss Darshna. Chapter 12, we will start today chapter 12, grammar. Please open your textbook of grammar, page number 42, chapter number 12, personal pronouns, numbers, gender and case. So let's start. Here, first we are having the detailed explanation. Nouns are always singular or plural in number. If nouns are given in a number, right? So always it is having singular and plural number. So we have studied that the nouns can be of masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. Nouns can be in the nominative, accusative or possessive case. So here we will learn in this chapter about numbers, genders and case. So in the first number you can see, look at these pronouns. We are having here some examples. I have a friend. The friend is mine. I have a friend. The friend is mine. So mine we are using. It is given in a bold writing. The friend loves me. She loves us. The friend is ours. We have a friend. So here what is the person of the pronoun? So it is first person, right? What is the number of I, mine and me? That is singular. So this all you have to learn by heart because it can come in the exam also. Okay, this is the one kind of definition or rules. What is the number of we, ours and us? It is the plural number. If I, mine and me we are talking about, that is the singular. We are talking about we, ours, us, that is the plural numbers. What is the case of I and we? That is the nominative case. What is the case of mine and ours? That is the possessive case. And what is the case of me and us? That is objective case. And what is the gender of all these pronouns? That is the masculine or feminine. Masculine means gents, means we are using for men, and feminine we are using for female. So let's start next one. Number 2, observe the following set of sentences. Now we have here 6 sentences in a box. I will read it for you. First number, you are a teacher. 2, that class is yours. 3, I teach you. 4, can you see the class teacher? 5, is this class yours? Is this class yours, teacher? 6, I want you all to teach this class. So here in the above sentences, the person of all pronouns is second person. When we are talking about any person, suppose I am talking about you, so I is the first person and I am talking about you, so you are the second person, right? So here in the all the sentences pronoun is second person because we are using you, yours and you in the first 3 sentences, right? First 3 sentences we have used you, yours, you, right? So when I am talking with you, so I am talking, so I is the first person and you is the second person. So this way you can understand. You, yours and you in the last 3 sentences is plural number, means 4, 5 and 6 number. Here number 4, 5 and 6 sentences we are given you, yours and you, but that is given in a plural number, right? In the more we are talking about more person. So case of yours in the second 2 and yours in the second sentence number 5 is possessive case, right? And case of you in the third sentence and you in the fourth sentence, that is the objective case. So I hope you have understood. This is very easy. Now we are having here table. So if we will study this table very carefully, you will understand properly. So I will explain you. Let's study the table. Here we have first person singular, first person plural, second person singular, second person plural, third person singular and third person plural. So here this way we are having nominative, accusative and possessive case. and both, that feminine, masculine, both we are having in a gender. So first person I, accusative is me, possessive mine. In the first person plural we can use we, us and ours. Second person singular we are using you and yours. Second person plural we are using you, yours, same. Third person singular we can use he, she, it, him, her, it, his or her. Third person plural we are using they, them, theirs for all genders, right? So now we will discuss exercises. Here we have the exercise. Now here in all these exercises we are having one, and in the front side we are having two number. So please pay attention, and I will send these exercises photos, so afterwards you can write it from that. So exercise number 1, fill in the blanks with suitable pronoun. I will read all exercise for you. Number 1, your bucket has more flowers than mine. Second number, let me buy this ticket. 3, is this book yours? 4, have I returned your pen? 5, the local boys helped me. 6, Seema and me go to temple sometimes. 7, he hates her. 8, send her an email today. 9, this orchid is mine. 10, he taught them well for the examination. Exercise 2, fill in the blanks with I or me. Number 1, obey me, I am the leader. 2, why are you looking at me? 3, could you lend me some money? 4, did you call Keshav or me? 5, may I come in? 6, my sister and I went to Lajpat Nagar. 7, they treat me like their daughter. 8, I can work alone. 9, you and I will study in the same school. 10, she eagerly waited for me. Exercise 3, fill in the blanks with we or us. Number 1, we depend on our parents. 2, for failures we should not curse. 3, we love our country. 4, united we stand, divided we fall. 5, we were asked to come early. 6, tell him who we are. 7, mother instructed us to behave ourselves. 8, the Pandavas demanded give us food to eat. 9, Santa gave each one of us a gift. 10, the news brings us joy. Exercise 4, fill in the blanks with you or yours, your. First, can you trust a liar? 2, this pet is your, not mine. 3, father will buy you chocolates. 4, say your prayers before you sleep. 5, this hen must be yours. 6, he knows they are yours favorite. 7, did you tell her the truth? 8, she will not recognize you. Exercise 5, fill in the blanks with suitable pronoun. Here we have bracket words, so suitable pronoun we can write. Here some pronouns we can use more, so please pay attention. Number 1, our teachers teach us. 2, have you a pass, sir? 3, he is more popular than you. 4, this bag is mine. 5, I want him to understand me. 6, the crocodile carried me across the river. 7, I don't know why they visit her. 8, spare me, I need some peace. Exercise 6, change the following sentences into plural. So singular sentences given, we have to change it into plural. Number 1, she herself bought the TV. Answer, they themselves bought the TV. 2, this shirt is mine. Where is hers? Answer, these shirts are ours. Where are theirs? 3, I go to my office daily. Answer, we go to our office daily. 4, let me light the fire. Answer, let us light the fire. 5, do not allow him to come inside. Answer, do not allow them to come inside. I hope you have understood this chapter. So please write and learn also exercise all 1 to 6 in your grammar classwork notebook and learn it well. Thank you.